yo, beautiful people, my Skim Nation. Do you have a Hollywood Bets account? Now it is the perfect time to get one and get a free welcome package. Just for successfully registering a new account, you get a 25 Rand sign up bonus and a 50 free spins to Spina Zonke games on Hollywood Bets. To get this offer, just click and sign up the link pinned on the comment section below this video. And our promo code is SKWM as usual, SKWM Moga Scheme. Of course, the welcome offer, it is for new customers who are 18 years plus, 18 years and over. Terms and conditions, they do apply. And always, please remember to play responsibly. Race and peace. I really hope this finds you well and in good spirit. Welcome to it. This is Against the Wall, where we change lives. We are talking about the issues of life and more. We are in the Western Cape. We be the Western Cape. Lomlisa, Lomfo, by now, by far. We are up. I don't need any introduction. This is the man behind the gems. He made this one possible. So if you want to give something, give him his flowers. Season, season 1. Western Cape. Thank you to Lizo. Lizo, my bra.
Yes, brother.
Dumela, we are suit.
Oh,
Abuanyana. I don't believe. Oh, I'm sure Kumuzo Icheriak cheated. No, bro.
Sure, brother.
Thank you very much, my brother. From me to you.
Yes.
You know how we do this thing.
Okay.
No, let's hit the ground running, my brother. Thank you very much. And to Peluga restaurant in Cape Town, waterfront VNA.
Sure.
You know, la mangfiga ngithole sister siyapenika specific party because na igcwele yonke indawo bayibiza yini mining tontoni ngithi yo nkosi yami ngabe siyoshona pha awuzange babuza into eziningi but xa kuyini we are opening our doors. So Beluga restaurant, hit them up when you are here in the Western Province. Please do make sure, just not far from Ikabo Beach, make a turn. We just had a beautiful platter. Baphele masutsa kasuthu nje asigijime intawo amashanga nasho kanjalo amatsonga asho kanjalo bathi sigijima intawo ugrand
Grande baba. Mara sime ngesitsoka isitsoka sizakhawatha.
Sibekwa inhloni kunala podcast yakho hey. When we went to the other day to a school visit that you organized in Esinethemba, I saw young people in fact, hey, back for stand up blind. And I said, hey, no muntu bayamfila man. And then we flavor njani. Are they seeing change in you? And we growth man grand because ngiboni energy yabo. Why are they so much in love with Ulizo?
Okay, sure. I think the reason why they're so in love with me. Okay, let me dictate and dikfake mfethu yabo. Yonke lento iqale when it comes at that time daqala ndishayi content yabo. Yazi content yami ndiqala njani ushayi? I was a bit drunk yabo. So ndlele nomama yabo, very grand. So there was a TikTok account yami. It's a phone in yakhe. Because at that time I was young and I had a phone man and I had a stupid phone. So everything if I'm doing something the phone in yakhe. So my TikTok account was there. So I'm drunk. So ndiyamcenga ngoba masambe siyolala and then she was just sitting there uyatya ndiyamcenga efonini masambe siyolala. So one 30 short ndimcenga ba masambe efonini siyolala andizukwazi uye ebhedini ungekho ngicela man masambe siyolala. So I was begging her ba masambe siyolala. So eventually wasenda la video on TikTok
Viral.
Yo, it
So
went
about
viral.
interpretation I can imagine, but lo ngimpundu lo.
Yeah, sure, it was like that. It went so viral. Okay, and then after that, ndabona, hey, the numbers are growing. So, and then I was like, okay, this thing has a potential. I think it can be my way indoba and do lento ngikhalela ukuyenza. Into ngikhalela out yam is to most mfethu nisuka ki life ye crime out yabo. And so vele basisigebengu. Then I changed my life and then when I changed my life, ndazixelela uba jonga, I don't want to change my life only for myself. Because ngelaa xesha benimosha beningamosheli bengamoshi mnandi yedwa benimosha nabantu ndimosha abantu. So now when I changed my life, I just told myself yazi ntoni mani ngatshintshi mnandi yedwa, I must change for my community as well. You understand? So this would be a nice platform for it, TikTok, to start my journey. So I started sharing my story, but in a very small clip, telling people ukuthi hey siqale kanje siphathe intshiza namajita kumnandi sicinga kumnandi kanti izinto zabuya zitshintshe xa udibane nejele izinto ziyaguquka ziyaphenduka but ekugqibeleni uthixo uyakwazi umtshintsha umntu you understand that was the video abantu bangena kwi-video they were like who's this guy and then the numbers were growing I was like so South Africa really wants to hear my story because I haven't told them my story yet at that time. Yeah. And then I was like, okay, bafuna uva story sama. Okay, let me just share the story.
Give it to them.
I was like, bafethu story time. So uthini ke uthi ufuna uva the story time. Ufuna ngene ke story time right now.
Live. Story time live. And ke uzosinikeza more.
Okay.
Angeke ushare nje ipiece kuphela. No, but before we get there because obviously let's talk about the tour. Ukuthi what gave birth and then how did it come about? How did you meet Uchairman? Because I remember many moons back you sent me something and because abantu abaningi bayangena I realized when you sent me something food later and normal I've got this number. I've been chatting to this chap.
Yes.
When I was busy googling for umuntu wase Western Cape. What is the purpose of the tour?
Okay. At first let us ndiqalele uba thina si-engage kanjani. Just to take you back. What happened at first? Okay, let me put it this way. To be on the Scheme GP podcast, it was like a dream to me, brother. I always wanted to go because I saw that was the biggest platform for me to tell my story. You understand? So it was a dream. So there's this one day, the guy, Mr. Speaker. He was live on TikTok. I always listen to that guy, you know, because he's sending the message that one day I really want to send. So I was listening to this guy and then I requested on his TikTok live. Then we were having a chat. Apparently you just pop in there. And then I was like, hey, here's this guy, man.
We appeal and not the character, the cartoon.
Yeah, here's this guy, man. And then we had a conversation. Apparently when you asked Mr. Speaker to give me your personal number. So maybe there was a potential or something, or you had something. You said that guy must give me your personal number. Then eventually out to Sherelle, and then we had a conversation. But the conversation here to Zangi nevala.
Because of the distance, of course.
Because of the distance. You're in Joburg, I'm in Cape Town. So Zangi City, Specie Ivala. Up until the day you came to me. You understand? You saw this thing. Liza, what's going on? And then I said, hey, and then they showed me podcast and this thing, one interviewer, and then they were like, yo, our people, they love this topic. And it seems like not by Tanda. So can you work with us? Then I said, no, it's fine, Machita, Sambi, the grand. And I always wanted the platform to push the very same thing that you are doing. You're one of the guys that are inspiring me in life, man, to be honest. When I wanted to do something similar to this one. So after you saw that thing, and then I explained to you what's going on. Then you explain the whole idea that you have about the tour and stuff. That's where it started. Then I was super excited. And then I was like, okay, this was kind of, I must do this thing. I must make this thing work. You know, even yesterday I didn't sleep, bro. Yesterday I can't lie. I was thinking about the way it has to be a success.
I remember he was pushing me about the flights. He did not believe Tamara, this one is pulling a fast one on me. Relax. So he moved. No, you're moving too slow. 2 minutes. Flyer. This chap, what I Scheme. Abantu don't believe man. About the AI man. Scheme. Come on, man. You die. Once we are shaking hands. Once we shook hands, we're done. It's a done deal. I know. I'm sure believe we must send them a flight details manifest. There's no way we're going to share U10. Thank you very much, my brother. No, I appreciate you because you found every talent a corner. And by grace, we want to talk to people and we want to change lives. And obviously we are doing this not alone, not as a platform here Scheme, but together now. So by the time we are done with our conversation, because people are waiting to hear from you. They've been hearing you, I'm a bits and pieces, and you told a story. Then please share also the platform that you are in now. Because people, they need to grow, Chief. It's not about Scheme kuphela. Imali, if imali, uliroy tumezweni ngihlala naye athi imali ayifanelanga mina kuphela. Nabanye abantu Chief ungathi bangithathela isipana abasebenze nabo because wonke umuntu kumele abe grand. So let's try to narrow it down manje to your conversation because siyangena manje.
Sure.
Who is Lizo?
Okay. As Felix ngene nje clean, yabo. Okay, uLizo out ekhulele uLizo nguHangana, uzalelwa kwifana kwaHangana, uMqadi, uNcweni, uJola. Kumhlaba waseLady Frey in the Eastern Cape, eMgqukhwebe phaya, but ndikhulela apha eCape Town. Apho besikhona ke eSnethemba High School kanye Philip, one of the notorious townships in Cape Town. I think it's rating number 1 in Cape Town. Yeah. So ndikhulela pha kulakazi. Mamela ke kwenzekani. My father is a pastor and umama mbeka a professional nurse. Yabo. So I was having la life ngathi ifuna uba nobu soft life nyana. Yabo. Because I was getting everything that I want. Even if bebengenzi too much, ne? But everything ebendifuna bendithola edladlini. You understand? But this one day yavele kwatshintsha zonke izinto. You understand? Awuthi yami daphuma kubona izinto. I remember ndandifunda I was still at school but a college of Cape Town. So now because tata engumfundisi and then I'm still a young boy, unezinto ezifani endizikhethayo, smoking cigarettes. Tata is a pastor. He won't tolerate that. So we were fighting a lot. So until my mother decided, man, ambohlala kumakhulu, umakhulu ambehlala eKhayelitsha. Ambohlala kumakhulu. Uyabo uyophokoza notatako, you are fighting all the time. So ndamuva ndahlala nomakhulu ezaqala izinto utshintsha phaka because umakhulu doesn't take a note of anything apha endlini. Yenza yonke into endifuna uyenza umakhulu, and I can even drink alcohol and tell makhulu it's just an energy drink. Shit, as long as it's a totini akazuyazi uba yena ufuna ubona ibeer. The PE beer, then
qualifies to be a beer.
Yes. But if uzane side I said totini, if I say makhulu is an energy drink, oh hi, it's fine, it's an energy drink. So she doesn't take note of anything. So umakhulu wami beke ngumuntu ethanda uvaya. Sometimes ayo bathi ngumlaliso to go to a church for almost the whole weekend. You understand? There are ceremonies.
Whole night prayer.
Not even a weekend, whole night prayer. And then, so there was those things. Ayihambile umakhulu wami shayipati edladlini namachit. We're still in school. So the other night sashaya sit-in, yabo. So kule sit-in sishayayo, ulapho ndibana khona nenye imate. Khona mamela yabona le, ingathi grand for him. Yabona le?
Yes,
mamela ndishaya ngalina. Andihlanganisa inkulumo yonke iwe ibe grand, alahlela indlambe, sibe mnandi, ayibe ipolasi. And then we started dating. Uyabo? So ebesiza Evanas Khatha bakum nami sendide ndisaziwa nako kwabo. Yabo ngumakhulu wakhe. Apparently naye wahlala nomakhulu wakhe. So siyaziwa ke nako kwabo. We dated almost a year. Everything was cool, bro. Everything was nice. Up until the day ndiphuma esigele. Andithi senza njani? And yena ufunda eTrafalgar High School. Mina ndifunda College of Cape Town. So xa isiya ebhasini yena usebenzisa ibhasi to school. Xa isiya ebhasini udlula esikolweni sami. So mna ndiphuma kuqala kunaye ndihlale and wait for her. Sikuduka so we are doing everything sobabili. Ndisamboni ngoku imate. Xa ndiphuma esigela ndiyahlala ndiyayilinda le mate iphi njo. Isabonakala.
And remember the story siyaphi manje.
Sure, and remember that time kwesasikhathi sama mixed. You remember mixed? Skats some mixed. Yabo. So at that time usell C, ne? You log in on Mixit for free when you are using Cell C. So it's school boy. You understand? So as not a time. So you do call back, please log in. For you was uthetha nomuntu wakho crank. Uyabo? So xa ndishaya please log in, I can respond and andimboni ngqonda ezisharp apha le meet. Uyabo? Isavaya almost a week andimboni. Yaqona no the other day ndiyomkhangela apha kokwabo umakhulu wakhe andazi mos. Umkhangela kokwabo ndaye xa ndifika apha kokwabo ndifika kekho. Apparently xa ndiphuma ndibana no cousin sister wakhe. And then cousin sister wakhe uthi kum xa ndibuza manje uphi asanda. Athi cousin sister wakhe mamela man. Asanda myeke man. Akasazijonge nozijongo school boy. Zangaxelela uba une boyfriend engekhoyo eseprison iginza lakhe. Unesigebengu sakhe eseprison. So sibuyile ngoku. And uhamba ngemoto City Golf wena una nemoto amangenya. Myeke man. Hey! Yaqonda. Understand.
Wathi uyaphupha.
Ngathi understand. But ndavaya ndagoduka. Yabona ndayo relax edladleni. I didn't take that thing serious, but it was always coming on my mind. But ndizama ukuyiwipe
Yeah.
ba ayonyani man living maro okay ngabikho ghost ndikhona man ke ndiphinde ndiye man phaa kwabo man ndiyanida uba ndithethe naye man andixelele what's going on, what's wrong.
Funny closure.
Sure, ke ndiphinde ndiye phaa. Xa ndifika phaa my brother, mamela ke, xa ndifika phambi kweyadi nantsi city golf my brother. Xa ndisondela nangu asando hlele left, le out ise-right. Mamela ndavele ndagqitha ndangena ngaphakathi kokwabo ngondimbonayo uba nako emotweni ndayombuza ngaphakathi. Ndiyambona nangu, ndayombuza phaa ngaphakathi. Yabo kwathiwa awumbonanga ingathi uhlele emotweni apha phantsi. Ndiyaphuma, xa ndiphuma qona andizuba sathetha nothetha naye sendisoyika nale bhari. Ndidlule naloo moto. The ka ndidlula ahlisa ifestire andikhwaze mibro.
Yo.
Layizo, heyi ndiguquke. Heyi xa ndiyayo kuye angathethi yena kuthethe le bhari. Ithi mamela mtshanam mos awungwalapha ekasi ungwasekhayelitsha wena ne. Ndithi hayi Grootman. Athi jonga mamela ngaphinde ndikubona apha, otherwise uzawutyiwa iliwiwe. Heyi hayi Grootman, sorry Grootman, sozuphinde undibone. Heyi ndikhawuleze ndivaya. And it's when I realized into yoba that's the guy. I was really heartbroken. There was a danger box close by endleleni yam eya ebhasini because I used ibhasi ukuya kokwabo.
Yeah.
There was danger, you see the danger boxes next to the road.
Yeah.
Yama electricity.
Danger gevaarlijk. Yeah,
Yes,
ingozi.
ingozi, yeah. So there was that box. I couldn't wait up until I reached that box. I ran to that box and then I was standing there as if ngathi ndiyachama. I was crying, my brother. I was crying. No. Then it didn't even take a bus. The bus is I took a taxi. Yabo. Ndafika endleleni. But you know what? I knew it. As bandlele taxi, I was thinking a lot. My mind was running very quick. Then I knew it, man. I'm an opposite endleleni. Kune out encinci car pha. Yabo? Qonda le out ibikar lena man. No man.
Yo.
Let me go and approach that guy. Yabo, maybe I can win back my woman if ngenze sasipani senziwa ilapha hari yakhe. Uyabo? Then I went straight. I didn't sandingene nasekhaya ndaya straight kla out. Xa ndifika Grootman, ndiyakucela Grootman yam man. Ngicela ndiyakwazi uba wenza ntoni Grootman ne? Ndiyakwazi ubhizi ntoni Grootman? Andifuni bendithetha into eninzi, ngicela undenze ndifane nawe man. The first time and chase la Grootman. Hey, uphambana kwedini wena. Yenza ntoni mina iphuma hamba apha. Ndaphuma ndahamba. Then ekhaya ndafika, like I was so disappointed, I was so hurt. Ndazihlalela pha. Inoba kuthe after 6 late ndiviflate. Hey, what's going on go? Yabo? Andiqhelanga ukhozwa ngama-flate. But I don't know about what's going on. So andiphumi, but hey, ubekho out. My childhood name nguNdira ne. Ubekho out ethi ekuseni Ndira. Ngibona hey ushaya ngami ngokwezi maniphume ndiphume xa ndiphuma hey nansi le Grootman namanye ama-Grootman. There was Golf 3s, lot of cars, on board 3 or 4 cars standing outside. Hey xa ndiphuma ndisiya kuthiwa kudini siyesipani wena mani waye unxiba oshoti ekusetshintsha fast ufake i-track suit khawulezisa siyesipani
Isukela kanjalo nje.
yengqondo. I was scared ne, but I was like ndiyayenza le wini. Although I don't know uba kwenzeka ntoni, but ndiyoyenza le wini. Ndatshintsha very fast. Khawuleza ndanxiba kodwa mtshana ziphi gloves, fingerprints. I don't have gloves kodwa ama-sums osifumana endleleni. Ngene emotweni, we went to Bellville, I remember. Asifike Bellville, I remember the first car we stole, it was City Golf. Yabo? Yafika le Audi ya opposite endleleni, yehle ekarini with something, I cannot recognize that thing, but it's like a draft or anything. Yabo? Afika la Audi, yavula iwindow, tap. Yabuya nenye iwe kuma ndibona uba yenze ngecephe imali lewe, but it's something ayilolileyo man.
Ugoqa
Ugoqa, yabo? Yabuya nalewe yathi jonga mamela thatha lewe ungene phaka i-steering wheel, fake lewe i-ignition, fake lewe itshone, twiste lewe izastarta lewe same time usilandele. And ndiyakwazi udriver, pay in mind ndikhule ekhaya ndizithola zonke izinto, iikari zikhona ekhaya. Endlini bekushushu yonke into i-grand. I started driving car while I was 13 years. Yabo? So I've been a driver. Yabo? So, and bayayazi when they saw me driving cars, so bayayazi ndiyakwazi drive. And remember, I was almost like 17, 18 years at that time. So, athatha ikar, dumisa, arhuqa, savaya, namachita, sathatha ikar sayifaka erhontshini, kwagrand. And then xa sifika endleleni, Grootman, sipanile mos izinto. hey thukusele khona ukuqala kodini one shaya so ufuna izinto ekhame kodini ahambe yolala. Hey, I was hurt ngona using uzile ezibhari hey kanjani. Dama ndayogidla but the problem was ekseni
Yeah.
as ekseni divi flate noba around ngabo 11 totally flate and gone okay ndim osobizwa ngeflates ngoku since from yesterday this really flates which is ndim xa ndiphuma nyanta sire is standing there le Grootman opposite phambi is standing there in front yabo endaya kuyo afika khupha inyuku athi ubuthe ufuna inyuku sinqayisile ikar nansi inyuku yakhe hey bamba le nyuku okay it was 1,000 rand bro and I was like remember at that time 1,000 rand this was a lot of money and I was like Grootman yam le mali ndedwa like imali khaya ndedwa Grootman yo imali yakho mali ngaka bwa hayi ninzi le mali jo sanbe ndizitsala same time ahlaba itaxi Waterfront VNA apho sikhoyo yabo Waterfront xa ndifike eVNA aw shaya indwangu Lokshin culture iteki you remember that time Lokshin culture was on yabo Lokshin culture shaya bo matrix bama umbro pro action yabo indaba grand mnandi yabo yabona le tracksuit le pro action shaya is a tracksuit ngwandi mnandi thola umbro fresh ngisegazini hlaba same time emall same time thatha my old clothes fake ebhegini undibuze ndiyaphi
Ay. Awusabi kinsa.
undibuze ndiyaphi
You'll pay revenge. Yeah.
jonga suka straight from Waterfront straight to New Cross Road ndiyakulo asanda ndifuna ukucavisa uba jo mamela kaloku nami ngoku ndayenza lewe
Yey.
ndaya phaa xa ndifika ndimthula thola vie cousin wakhe again but ngqondo okay mandicavise cousin yakhe man izofaka ireport ithi cousin wakhe jonga sishaye 233 yabo asingene nje sishaye into eziphuzwayo zibe 2 zibe 3 asiye fast asifika phana ngimshaya ngebhotile ngimshaya nge-carry bag ngiyarelaxa ngiyaphola 6 pack nebhotile eligrand asihlale sibe mnandi sithe sisahleli imibrulu kusemnandi sirelaxile siyancokola kukhala umculo kuthi gqi asana medium
Hey.
nansi ngena le ilungisa ukuhlala mebro theza qala ulungisa ukuhlala ekudile out yakhe emva kwakhe ekuleka sitshone phansi kwetafile ele out yathi ngena same time yanibona yaza straight kum yaza straight yafika yakhupha into yayo yayicinezela so yathi mtshana mbe nditheni kuwe athi hayi Grootman bizwe limit mana hayi Grootman yathi mtshana mvaya apha ngoku otherwise you are gone yena phakama ndagqitha kimeli yam su eyanskena le methi ndiyenze ntoni le methi
Ayisikhoko ngoba phela akuchuchisa.
hey yabaya naphuma ndahamba then you know what my brother after that episode ne
Yeah.
naphuma ndavaya ndaya edladlini
Yeah.
and then even the same night sahamba sayoncinza ikar following night sahamba sayoncinza ikar receiving money almost every day
Yeah.
started ungafuna ukuya esikolweni
Yeah.
you know almost xa ungena imali ufuna uyisusa
Ayamoseka manje.
yabo
Yeah.
ungena imali ufuna
Yeah.
uyisusa ufuna uhlala amajita uthengela amajita ishort be busy
Yeah.
yabo so every time ngena inyuku ngifuna uyisusa and sasispana during the week ebangathi ngu9 to 5 because sasispana every day after 5 o'clock
Yeah.
sibuya nekar ngom-16 siyabhatalana every night sibuya nekar ngom-16 siyabhatalana you understand up until ndizofahla eSomerset fahle eSomerset lamajita angishiya emotweni tasira as usual fika vula imoto yabo ngiyachwechwa mna
Adigwazi.
faka igoqa ndirhuqu yabo si-strategy sethu so uhlaba imoto tasira xa ndifika mna emotweni uba ndiyavula ndiyangena heyi ayidistarte lewe ayidistarte xa heyi hayi securities zinqunge imoto andinadabula apho yophuma xa ndingiyeka ndijonga le moto ndazibona imoto zotasira nazo ziphuma zihamba ndiqonda ndaseza
Ayiboshiwe.
fahle
Hey. First time.
that was the first time hey man I'm going to juvenile
Yo.
I was still young at that time and fahle fike court thola ibheli 5 trata I don't have my parents number andazi nale yamaGrootman number yabo anananumbers actually enhlokweni yami yabo ngiyazeleke ndiye ePosmo prison
Yo.
inebheli esiye xa sifika sidwadle juvenile yabo
Yeah.
masidwadle juvenile kubekho apparently intwana ezindaziyo bathi mina ndizazi
Yeah.
zize kum and then zithi ekuseyothunywa ngutabani mfethu I mean like buhamba notabani ithi ya jo ungaphindi utsho buhamba notabani tabani uthe masikuxelele ungaphindi uyithethe lo
Hey.
babuhamba naye heyi niyamazi machita
Hawu, seyijampile nangapha, ya.
ya hayi siyamazi mamela ndithi mna benithetha naye niyivephi leyo hayi besithetha naye izolo efowunini ndithi mfowuneleni machita nimxelele uba ninepheli kaloku ekuthiwe sunqama impatha noba impatha relax and relax apha hayi nyhani ifowunelo le out apparently the following days izwakale zizongibheyili yabo
Eish.
then xa ziqeda undibheyila ndibe nalawo eba hey guys I need to eat I need to wash I need to relax I need to sleep
Yeah.
hey that was a very bad experience
Hey.
kuthiwe kulala bani
Yo.
bani olalayo
Ulalisa ntoni?
kuthweni uzolala
Yeah.
fonisa ispana tonight
Awukagezi.
bafethu ndisuka edanyani.
Awuzazi nento zokugeza. Yeah.
angizazi bafethu ndisuka edanyani kuthiwa ye fo nina sixeleli mani uyasityala ngoku sikubhelile ubusejayivini ba now you owe us shaya umthetho wethu thina ugcwala phantsi kwethu flat
Hey.
siyaspana tonight then le way yatshintsha ke ngoku yaphela ndisenza izinto by force
Hey.
nothi ngoba ndifuna by
Esa.
force because ayengamakrotbana amadala ndingawagwatsha
And wazifaka kule nto wazicelela le pain. Yeah.
uyabo
And manje uziprovile kahle kahle. The reason why soyancanywa laba Grootman. Bayabona ukuthi umashesha vele.
ngimashesha izinto ngizenza fast
Yeah.
uyabo
Carry on.
so
yeah.
eish amajita wenzekayo ke ngosithi sisajonge lo way la majita anifakile ipressure sispin ikar apparently I was lucky enough kwi-occasions ezininzi azange ndibanjwe
Yeah.
you understand up until they went to a heist bona bodwa
Yo.
ashayana kulo heist bashayana inyuku then kwafika iwar
Yo.
there was i-groups zasekhayelitsha kudala there was 20 men namajita kwakuthiwa zizitrahela those guys baphuma ne-fight out of lo heist leyo you understand then amakrotman wamathi no mamela la izontwana yam
Yeah.
ima kancane
Yeah.
yabona ngoku siyaferha ngoku so asifuni wena uchaphazeleke so
Ulimale, yeah.
bhekela kancane kuthi because sizochaphazeleka kule way so ndibona ayandisavisa amakrotman but iproblem inyuku ayingeni
Eish.
yangisaved ngoku ndigrand
Mara ulambile. Yeah.
inyuku ayingeni ndisiyekile isigele
Eish.
and inyuku sendiyiqhelile and sendisa isigebengu esihamba i-night clubs at the age of 18 years bro ngihamba i-night clubs
Eish.
kushaya indwango flat
Yeah.
and sengiphuza amahenesi at that time at the age of 18 years bro yabo so inyuku ayingeni but you know what kwi-life ye-crime ungahamba nala machita you get to meet amanye machita you get to meet amanye machita
Yeah.
apparently while I was with lama Grootman adibana namanye machita amashaya fraud so after lama Grootman engimise kancane ngafonela lama machita ashaya fraud yebafethu ndiswak mana akho nto yenzekayo apha
Ucela ischeme futhi.
ndicela iskim via faka kula majita ndakopola kula majita ashaya fraud angifundisa ifraud la fraud yakhona bathi ingwablane
Yeah.
apho kukhutshwa khona ubuso bakho kwi-ID faka ubunye ubuso bomnye umuntu uhambe uyoshaya ama-loans nani nani ya bank statement ya sishaye ezaweyi
Eish.
kulo process leyo I met another woman yena wayefuna ukwenzelwa i-fake documents kuba wayefuna indawo yohlala i-apartment so she needed ile ntuka i-bank
Yeah.
statement and the pay
Yeah.
slip
Yeah.
she was very beautiful though yo
Eish.
kona yabona nansi mithi nansi ngathi right man ngathi ndithi ngale and she was older than me
Eish.
yabo encamathela ngale mithi sajola sagrand ended up sihlala soyi-2 enyanga east
Yo.
kanti le medi impintshi zayo ngamajita ase-cross road and esi-cross road baspecializa ngehala house breaking amajita phaa so now she introduced me kula majita ase-cross road ashaya ihala you see now I'm changing departments
Hayi.
from fraud no to house breaking
Hey,
at
car
first it
theft.
was car theft
Ay.
to fraud
Also Master 3.
then master 3 shy house breaking I was lucky enough for all the house breaking things I never got arrested for
Yeah.
ezawi yabo so kanti la majita ase cross road
Yeah.
atholana namajita ase-Philippi ne
Yo.
and then njengoba ndihamba nawo ndathola la majita ase-Philippi I found out la majita batholana nawo ase-Philippi ngamajita endikhule nawo because i-Philippi ndikhulela kuyo and then I felt comfortable kumajita ase-Philippi because I grew up with them
There,
but the
yeah.
problem was ndafika e-Philippi kusenziwa yonke into those were the all-rounders jonga ephilip kunegame eshaya ebusuku kuthiwa sishaya ikarati sophula ishop yengam la ebusuku kuthiwa ikarati
Shaya flying kick.
ya sure sishaya ngesitena sishaya i-flying kick yawa la glasi siyangena sishaya i-toilet yabo sishaya i-shoplifting magic bags everything sishaya igqibo 2 fingers emall pa kushaywa i-heist everything is happening ephilip everything bra hijackings everything is happening Philip, I was like, this is a devil place, but I love it. I want to be here. Sapusha namachita se Philip. Amela, I'm in the banjwa. Up until I got arrested for a heist. Banjwa, pana, ndaqonda, yabona kwa the first time Hlele police station, I was like, yabona le indo? I'm not coming back home, Gliwi.
Hey.
Banjwa, sayo valelwa. Fit. And then Sahambi court. Sathola ma 10 years. We were lucky enough. That was a bargain. But that was a bargain for a crime yethu. That was a bargain. You understand? And we took a plea because everything was footages and everything was here.
Yes.
Yabo? Sathola 10 years.
So jewelry, money,
Everything.
yeah.
It was no, it was not a jewelry, that one.
Yeah.
That one was the network thing, the network heist.
Oh yeah.
Shayo MTN,
Yeah.
keep it on my phone, iPhones, nan. Yeah, thola kanja.
Eish.
Yeah, I was arrested for that. Yabo. So sahlala skate spire.
Yo.
Yabo.
It's in a trial at this time. Ngicayena trial aqala, ngihlale trial.
Kale sa trial but as trial skate spire.
Plea back. Oh, navele nathi asifuna ukubosha isikhathi la.
Yeah, sathatha please but the problem was I had other cases.
Yo.
You know, when you have other cases, other pending cases.
Further profile.
So yeah, so ngihambi court ever naskhathi, yabo? The time izinto ziqala unibhedela. The first year sanuthola isigwebo, everything was cool man. Siyahamba, siqhelile ijele ngili 26, everything is cool man. Yabo? Akugunya man, namagunya ay-8. So everything iyayenzeka, i-charge lesibili phezu ko-line. So everything iyayenzeka. Yabo? It's cool, yonke into siyayidlalela. Uyabona wena mfethu. And most of the time you found out uba masifika kwi-prison ezithile akuna general. Yabo? So makungena general and ama number 1 a few. Thola ukuthi thina siyi number 2 siyazidlalela. Yabo? So kumnandi siyazidlalela yonke into, it's cool. The first year. But the second year buye court, yabo?
Yeah.
Keep ifone yami ekhonjini.
Yeah.
Xa ndithi man, hey kukhwilantu kaphi inansika there's a WhatsApp message.
Yeah.
Vule le WhatsApp message. Xa ngiqala uba ndiyamamela olidlama. Qala uba ndiyamamela, no man, akuthethi olidlama. Yabo?
Hayi khona.
Le message ithi sorry mntanam, akekho umuntu ebekwazi ukuxelela but umama kusishiyile fana.
Yo.
Pain mine ngisuke court me bro. Suke court me bro. And in a long date kwakule way, ndiyastress.
Yo.
Nathi nisayimamela ndabona ifoni izehlela so.
Hey, when I'm not laughing.
Yo.
Ngicabanga nayideke.
And then ukwefoni, yebo neglasses ziyaqala uphuma ke ngomfowethu. Ngibonwa ngamajita ahlele ekoneni. Angisho su. Like sir. Ebafethu khona ukushaya amanzi.
Hey, naku ukukhala igunya manje.
Hey, akhala le ngakhala indoda ikhona ingxaki
Hayi
bafethu.
khona.
Jama amajita afika, ikusemfethu kwenzeka ntoni?
Esa.
Yithi mina bafethu ndiyazi ba kwenzeka ntoni but la weyenzeka ngaphandle inamasimba bafethu.
Eish,
Bayinduna
eish,
ndiyazi but
kaka
inamasimba la wi.
Hey.
Phela ndithatha ingubo ndizigquma ngidla. Xa ndiphakama still the way isandworker mfethu.
Yo.
Then I was like,
Yo.
zigqitha njani kule pain?
Yo.
Then I saw the guys that are smoking imenrate. Indumba. Yabona mos labantu bachaya bankonge mfethu bezela
Baxhunyiwe manje. Yeah.
then ayolala. Then I was like, I never took drugs. Then I was like, marubani ngachali we
Eish.
izanilalisa
Yoko,
le
trying
man.
Yo.
Started chayila we pa imen rates. Indaba yepain. Chaya imen rates, gena into drugs. Found out into ba kwabaki problem. I think there was a number 1 yahlabukhata, ne? Bona ke trongo in my number 1 ihlabukhata kuba blind, yabo?
Yeah.
They twisted wrong bana ma lockdown. Of Masek they are taking all the number 1s out of that prison. Then after that, Kwati source number 2. I started bullying people, bro. I started robbing other guys and taking drugs zabo bangena ngenamba. And mina ngikhona ukuyidesign inamba ke mfethu. Ngiyakudesignela. xa uyimanscaped ndakudizayinela istory senamanama ndikudizayinela inamba ayikho leya nama ndakudizayinela ngifuna ukushaya ngithatha into zakho mina bengishaya insizwa bengishaya impatha ngishaya wena kodwa uyinsizwa ngiyakushaya ngikudizayinela inamba nawe usucabanga ukuthi inamba egrand same time phezulelo kwakho
Ngola yini?
sure studying ndabayibhuli bhulisha abantu you know mos into zaseprison xa once ube yibhuli baza amanye amajita aza kokhela aza kokhulayo ukuze le yasibhulisha le ayivayo yabo enye intwana ekuseli early in the morning shaya umaphuza ngepapa ebusweni mfethu shaya urhata ngepapa eshusha ebusweni pa
Yo.
kwenzeka ntona uyabona kumaphuza once kubetha umaphuza kuba
Dilikelwa akadiliki
busy dilikelo le ntwana thatha uyovalelwa le light dilikelo le light hey but the amazing part hey le light sithi sisahlela i-lockdown i-prison hey le light nansi sephinde ibuya siyibone egrillini hey le light ibuye fast kanje thina ngayanga wosi ithi abafubethu abantu enza kanto manje abarhata manje bangicofile nje sithi hawu uzawudwadla uzasipha inomboro edala ubugcwalisele la nomboro igcwalisela ngamphulayini uzawudwadla hey yathi le light sesegrillini bangicofile nje otherwise kuse bashaya ngawe etalayizo ndikopola phi ke ngokum
Hey.
buza bafethu ndikopola njani lewe ithenya uthi hayi manzise wena le light
Yo.
ithi bafowethu ayitsali mane yazi prison injani let us pack my stuff bafethu because zawama ndiyoxeka phaa xa ndibuya phaa ndizibuya ndiphinde ndikidle apha obvious so let's pack my stuff yonke iwe ihambe one sided xa ndibuya phaa nizawuzama ulayini uba nditholiwe izama ayitsali eke wafika urhata nyani layizo let's look for you da meneer hayi let's look for you kom check Feder hey kom man kom hey andiva so Feder apha endleleni ndiyambuza Feder wat gaan aan da sharp why baby zigama lam andingeni ndawo mos mina kule wini uzogcwala pha xa ndifika brapha qala nje ungena hayi bucket lamanzi pa hey sharp Taylor ground hey and uyabona ke xa sobethwa ngamabhulu uyabethwa meneer wat ek het gemaak meneer meneer man wat ek het gemaak meneer pa kubhizi ezanibethe eza out mebrul and baneskelem ephosmo webhayi baxa bekubetha bakubethe bakugalele ngamanzi engakabi na steam lamanzi out of your body abakakubethi your blood is still cold they must beat you when they throw water there must be a little bit of steam
Ufuthumele manje
nje ufuthumele bazangeka yabo andibethela amachita nophula ezingalo zoyi-2 eziboye ingalo zami zikhoso kanjani anophula ingalo zoyi-2
yazi ngizomakhuluma nabantwana besigele ngabona vele ukuthi ayupotokile straight
andibethe nophula ingalo zoyi-2 la machita andithatha laba bafethu bayonjula confinement yabo and i-strong yada because that place used to be I don't know in the past used to be what that section but in the long run became a juvenile section and then after that it became a maximum again you know banifaka pha brother they didn't knew into yoba bandophulile nami bendingayazi banifaka pha without even taking me to hospital jula pha bavala the whole night I started to realize but there's something wrong in my body ngo 3 o'clock ekuseni xa ndithi ndayiva ingalo ayiphakami mebro ngapha ayiphakami it's pains but uzokhala uthi ukhalela abantu that is prison there's no one there at that time hlala my brother in pain up until 6 o'clock ekuseni babeshaya imaster nakhala yo meneer uyabo hey kwenzeka ntoni yo Feder I don't know hey hayi njonge nje lapha yaphinda avala yachika gcwala amayiteli ngishaya isikhathi seteli fola po hey andikwazi uphakama yavule lorhata ngokucinga ndinechiko kanye ndinenkani andifuna uphakama because of bebeniqhekezile izolo so bacinga fani bayinoba ndinenkani andifuna uyabo izonibamba ngenye iwe indikhale mebrule I'm in pain yayina menerio xa yethu yazibona ingalo zami like ziyajika kwenzeka ntoni and njemezifile ezingalo uyibamba so ayithi and ipain ephaa ibamba so ingalo yophukile yaphinda iyeke yo khona yule pari andithathe ezawuthi ndasiwe esibhedlele yabo kuba esibhedlele kodwa no let's take him to Victoria outside hospital Victoria athi no Grooteskier tro thatha Grooteskier ndayenziwa grand afakela isamende in both arms still kanibuyela etrongweni abandisa section in prison Still, I'm going to those single cells again. And Fagapa, they said I'm gonna spend 90 days there. I
Yo.
spent fully 90 days there.
Yo.
You know, that's the time I think my angel came to me at that time. I was in pain, asking myself, "Ba, do you figure ni kule man?
Hey,
10
mfethu,
senti
ufike
lapha.
njani?
10 this is geleke xa sivalelwa confinement. Like kwenzeka ntoni abantu fike njani apha? Uyabo? So I was like, no man. Bendifuna impressa someone uqala kwayo.
Hey.
Ebona ngoku sendine period of
That's
over
deep.
15 years ngisenza le way.
Yes.
But khona ibuya imachine uba.
Yeah. Akusinto yami le. Yeah.
Bingeyonto yami lena man.
Yeah.
Mna ndikhulela kwi-Christian house. My father was a pastor.
Yo.
And the old lady lam, she's a professional.
Unesi uhambile, awukhona ukumona, awukhona ukwenzani. Yeah.
Se, zayenza njani le way. Then I started saying, I'm not going to go back to this life.
Yeah.
Whether in the new life kuzoba nzima kangakanani, but I'm not going to go back to this life.
Nice.
You understand?
Nice.
Then when I came out, before I came out, they took me back to the sections. Ne? When I was there by the sections, everyone didn't believe, everyone didn't trust me because I was so quiet.
Yeah.
And I didn't want to intervene in a lot of things.
Yeah.
Even like number, didn't want to be too much. Always so looking at excuse about fitness and credit.
Yeah.
So I'm too much.
Yeah.
To know. At that time, I was isolating myself from the number and from Amachi. Started not to call Amachi the one from the outside because there was that thing. But and it's not easy to pull.
Yeah.
So let me distance myself from Amachi.
Yeah.
Don't phone Amachi the outside.
Yeah.
Almost a year. I'm communicating Amachi.
Yeah.
Amachi that they found out after 7 months that I was outside. It was
Oh.
Lena Puma. Dama neyohlelela nemama
Yo,
ngasipholela
yo,
na grand
yo.
for almost like
Owamhlanje,
6 to
wathi
7
ngizwile.
months.
Yeah.
It's a relaxel. They get to realize that I'm outside when I started creating content.
Yo.
And
yo.
That ubuya kwami sensenza content, I was against that life. Then they were like, he's untouchable. Simyekeni kanjeya.
Yeah, akame kancane.
Hayi akamasimyeke kanjeya.
Yeah.
Maybe yasebenzisana nabo khata.
Yeah.
Yabo udliwe itrongo wabuye sebenzisana nabo khata. Uyanthola kanjani?
Yeah.
So I spent in prison 5 years and a couple of months.
Yeah.
Then I came outside. Then it's whereby I created content, and then I was like, no, I've changed my life.
beautiful.
I don't want to go back there. So I don't want to change my life only for myself and my community as well. That's why today I'm sitting on this chair, my friend.
Yes.
Yeah, that is
Powerful
me.
testimony, Mfethu.
Yes.
So tell me, how did you go through? Because abantu abaningi, the healing process, it takes forever. So to come to terms, nento kamama, ukuthi look, this is the person who brought me to this world. The next thing she's departing, I'm not there for her.
Okay? Abona le but I don't want to lie. It's an haunter even today. But you know what? At that pain, I always say, everything that I'm doing, ndenzela wena mama.
Oh.
I am sure apukhoyo uyayibona le nto ndiyenzayo. But ulethi ndiyenzela wena le way. Because the bad part was that umama passed away saying hi. No. She never said yes on my deeds.
Yes.
You understand? Until she passed away, SCD, I. So that thing, that's why in visa maybe. So that's why the push away because I'm trying prove Oledi, I can be a better person in life.
Yeah.
All what I'm doing for Wena. For that guy you wanted me to be. Yeah, understand.
If you don't mind me asking, what happened to Umfundisi?
He's still alive. Umbonile nje umfundisi namhlanje.
Oh, no. I'm saying, mabe lapha ne old lady, uhambe vele, i-relationship isase intact. Or itime lakho beliphila elsewhere. Because abantu ababhaya banokuthi, man, ngafectwe divorce, ngagcina sengena. Khlale kunama excuses, Chief. You know, I even asked you a question, ukuthi, yini, but of course, ungitshela ukuthi the peer pressure, ebuya from imedi. Because
sure.
I wanted to prove a point.
Sure.
And I became a person I was not.
Sure.
Then the next thing, the list is endless. That's why we are sitting here vandag.
Sure.
So I old in a timer until death do us part.
Okay, yes.
Oh,
You
nice.
at that time.
Yeah.
Now my brother grew up in a very, very, very warm family. I've got 2 siblings, Abu sister.
Yeah.
In a warm family. I'm a twin with a sister.
Oh.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
you usually fast but oh, it's twin.
sure. So Sikula on one place, like Song, the whole family.
Yeah.
We were always there. Sibambene. There was nothing else to pull up. you know.
Yeah. So if
Yeah.
we are talking about a dysfunctional family, so it's people like yourself abenza ukuthi kube
Ben,
ne-dysfunctionality.
yes, yeah, because mna out of yonke lambumba besiyiyo ne,
Yeah.
mna I took my own way.
Yeah.
You understand? I took my own way ndaphuma indlela zami.
Yeah.
But still zange balilahla uthando for him.
Yeah. Let's talk about the difficulties kule journey rehabilitation net development. I call it a self-development. Challenges.
Yo, masiqale nge-temptations.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
My brother, let me tell you this. At first,
Yeah.
Abandu, they will judge you.
Yeah.
After I came out of prison, I was dating someone. She was a bit like everything was all right. Even in the finances, she was all right. And then while I was doing the media thing, then Abandu, hence they know I came out of prison and stuff.
Yeah.
Abandu, they saw me as in movies like I'm only dating her for inyubuzaki.
Aish.
You understand?
Aish.
Then as I was in frustrated,
Yeah.
I didn't want to feel less of a man as well. You understand? Sometimes I could see, sometimes even my brothers, like my cousin brothers, they are doing this thing. They are still in this game.
Yeah.
Like sometimes I can see it, ish, amachita, afika kume shayile nenyuku. Kon ish, sometimes I so wish ngaphinda ndiye kula way man shaye inyuku eyi-1 phinde ndibuye ndirelaxe.
Eish.
You understand?
Eish.
Did isayifikile la nhliziyo uba like I'm broke Joe mandiye but phinde ndizibamba ndiyayazi le way ndifuna uyenza uba
Yeah.
there are times whereby kube difficult. My brother cannot even say now yonke into right. It's still difficult even now. I think it's even worse
Yeah.
than before.
Yeah.
Changing your life, it's not an easy journey.
Yeah.
That's one thing I know. It's not an easy journey because my brother, mna ngiqhele uhamba ngemoto ezitshisiweyo brother. Uma BMW, Mercedes Benz, Mercs, wearing expensive clothes. You understand? While I changed my life, I couldn't buy even I couldn't even buy a tracksuit from the Mr. Price, bro,
Eish.
for myself. Vuleke dabuki ibhlukwe kube nzima.
Eish.
You understand? And then you feel like ufuna ukuya and the bad part is this. Ufuna ukuyofuna ispan.
Yeah.
Awufika criminal record ayasishaya. Even the general as a general worker, as a
Eish.
gardener, anything
Eish.
but
Eish.
you have a criminal record, sorry
One
me, bro.
side.
One side. You understand?
yeah.
I have a qualification of being a carpenter.
Yeah.
You understand? I have those petrol attendant courses. I have a security, what you call those certificates, those grades.
ECD. Yeah.
Yes, I have those stuff. I have those things. I can get a job for myself, but there's this criminal record thing standing on my way. You know, I even have a certificate of an acting. I'm an actor in profession, bro. But I cannot get a proper job for me because I'm this guy who has a criminal record. So it's very difficult for me to get connections.
Yeah.
So I was like, okay, maybe God wanted me to learn it the hard way. Maybe God has another way for me, which is I saw it and then I was like, this is the journey. Let me tell my story and help the community. Maybe me, by doing that, I'll get myself somewhere. Because you won't help people and then you won't be helped as well. Even if it's people won't help you, but God eventually will help you
come through,
by helping God's people. So I told myself that, but it's still, brah, and because I say tough, but I will get there. I'm pushing. But the fact that I've managed to take you from Joburg and bring you to Cape Town, that's a very big thing for me. You understand? Which is, I'm on a right track. I feel like I'm on the right track. There's a lot of things on my way, a lot of obstacles are still standing, are still there.
Keep
there are
going.
people who are like, hey, my bula, le pari yaqhela. Hey, le pari ngoku ifuna usithatha isiko skim GP ifuna usi-expose. No. When I'm doing my post, you understand? But still, I'm careful, my brother. I'm still moving. So kunje
Yes, Spralizo. Ngibonga nje that courage, yabo.
Sure.
Because if you don't do it, who is going to do it? That's why kuloko kuya kanje amakasi ngoba ayikho igrotman e1 etaba fethu mina ngizwile. Ngibizeni whatever ngifuna ngibiza yona. Mina nayi la engiyikhethile. You know, when I talk about Jesus, when I post ama quote none, there's still a few individuals abathi hayi lalela wena wahamba ushiya ama million wakubhele. and leopard will never change its spots. Yabo?
Sure.
So, and until you believe in yourself enough such that you should know, look, you can do change, chief. If in on the change, so I need to think differently because I'm a different person. So I want us to give people your numbers. Ngoba I believe in miracles. Kusazoyenzeka magic, and God is going to use you. Sibuya kule kasi bosise kuye ekseni Philippi, sidlulile, sisazongena nyanga langa cooks. Amakasa khona siyazi kunobu some danger and whatever you, but
Sure.
at times you need to, you know, le ndaba okuhlala njalo uthukile ubale kungazi nokuthi kwenzakala ugcina uzithela oncoming ugcina uthemthe kubuyela and say na into engiyaziyo kuphela yini ubutsotsi ayikho enye into kanti manje sothole another purpose. Let's give them your numbers, and then so that I know ukuthi someone is going to give you a call.
Okay.
At Lizo sifuna i-life coach awuzela sifuna into yakho criminal records sifuna i-life
Life
coach
coach,
chief, because we
sure.
can tell ukuthi story sakho yasazi ukuthi acting. I mean, I run one of the biggest shows in the country.
Sure.
You know, I was offered an opportunity that I couldn't refuse. You know, by Usis Live One, and then plus Ubra Ops, the CEO, and then the producer Mukos. I would forever be grateful. Yes, at that time Utemba was popular. People thought I was big because you don't need much love, chief. You are big, Buffet. Le opportunity bayangaya. So in other words, mina mele ngifike ngithi I know good enough. Chief ne-million ayihlangani ngina R1. Ayize ngihlanganise, and it has opened so many doors. So let's give them your numbers. That's how we wrap this episode vandag.
Okay, sure. Mandiphinde nizazise bafowethu nguLizo Kanga nomqathu Ncweni uJola umphankomo bafowethu. Hopefully niza enjoy ke bafowethu le episode abakwi Scheme GP. Bafowethu nditholakala kule number 068 741 8836. Asithi 068 741 8836. NguLizo ke lo mochu.
The work that you are doing with Alizo, because I can't suppress. You know, I need to shine a spotlight on what you are doing, manje currently.
Okay. Okay. Now I'm working for a podcast called New Wave Podcast.
Yeah.
I think that on that podcast we are doing topics that are similar to your topics, you know, and it's been doing wonderful. It's been doing wonderful. That is that's the thing that I'm doing, and also music.
Yeah.
You know,
Okay.
Fundisi light is none music. Yabo?
Okay.
Yeah, trying to, you know, when you ususa ilight ebukebengini kanye intwana encane ususa kubukebona xa ususa umndwendweni you have to put something.
Replace,
You understand? You have to replace with something.
Substitute.
Because uzokubuza intwana ba
Ngenzeni.
uyanisusa uthi mandithini. You understand? So I'm trying uyisusa ba then let me teach you music. Something that I can be able to do. Music uhamba kanje sibani. Yabo? Then they can have something and push. Yeah, I understand.
it.
So,
Like it.
inshallah, that is what I do. And podcast, I would love people to go and subscribe. Kube mnandi. Sizidlaleleni ngendlela egrand. Thank you very much.
Follow Bralizo. We are still in the Western Province. This is the Western Cape offering. So now proudly powered and sponsored. Mpeto Bralizo. And then Mongena la Epeluga. I had said Ubrabong singatha ngangithi ngama visuals so that ibonakala ukuthi no. Sihleli saphela sathi chu. Thank you very much. Keep well and stay blessed. We have enjoyed lunch futhi. But until the next episode, salute.
Sure.
How many